Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so if you are on the internet a lot and on YouTube in particular, you might have seen a company called Mous do all these crazy phone drop videos in promoting their cases. Now they do make cases for a lot of different phones, and as someone who regularly uses cases for its devices, I was interested in getting one for myself. Here in Team VRY, we have featured a lot of different cases from different brands, and this will be the first time that we'll be reviewing a Mous case. I've heard a lot of good things about Mous cases, so I'm pretty excited about this video. To be perfectly clear though, I rarely drop my phone, and so a lot of the cases I use also double as a way to add some extra grip to my devices and give them a bit of a rugged visual style. With that said, I purchased the Mous Limitless 3.0 case for the Google Pixel 4a 5G, and this comes with the aramid fiber back cover. This video is not sponsored by Mous in any way. Like I said, I did get this for myself, and so yeah, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we have here the Mous Limitless 3.0 case here with us. It comes in some very nice packaging with a lot of information all over the box and tells you about the stuff that Mous uses to make these cases nice and durable. Opening the box is pretty straightforward, and you do get some paperwork alongside the case itself, which feels really nice, and of course we'll go into detail on this. Handling the Limitless 3.0 case feels great with a matte finish, and from the get-go you get this impression that it's really tough and protective. Looking at the sides, you can see that it has cutaways for all the ports on the Pixel 4a 5G, and it does provide cover for your buttons, which is a great feature. The inside features a small space where you can store a couple of SIM cards, which is a nice addition for people who use more than one SIM card on the go. Looking at the back, we can see that it features an aramid fiber plate, and you can also get the case with a walnut back or a fabric design. I do prefer my cases to look rugged, so I chose this design so you can get a nice rugged look and feel with the aramid fiber back. According to Mous, these cases are made from materials like polycarbonate and TPU, but the way that these materials are used on this case feel very different compared to cheaper cases. For example, while the sides of the case do offer some flexibility, they are very rigid compared to TPU material in other cases. Personally, I think it's very important, as cases with loose sides and edges do not offer the best protection for your device. A tight case is always the best way to go if you want maximum protection for your smartphone. Going back to the inside of the case, there is a soft lining which kind of feels like felt, which is a great addition to cushion your phone while it's inside the Limitless 3.0. You also have Mous's auto-align design inside, which incorporates magnets for use with magnetic accessories. You also get AeroShock material all over the sides, which will add some extra impact protection to your phone. Putting on the case is very easy. I personally put the Pixel inside on the button side first and pop the rest of the phone into the case. Once you get the Pixel inside the Limitless 3.0, it feels very tight and secure. The case fits perfectly so you don't get loose edges or flex in any parts of the case, and the cutouts are also aligned really well so you still have access to all your ports, and they are deep so the exposed parts of your device won't easily come into contact with external surfaces. The buttons do feel a bit stiff, which is personally alright with me, as it does prevent accidental presses, but you might want to take this into consideration. The corners of the edges are raised a bit to add protection to your device in case of a fall. So far, the only downsides that might be an issue for other people is that the back can get a bit smudgy, and the case does add some thickness to the Pixel. Personally though, I don't really care about the smudges, and the case feels incredibly solid. The aramid fiber back, tight fit, and the tough build are fantastic. It adds a bit of thickness and grip to my Pixel 4a 5G, which I do need in day-to-day usage. Alright, so about that asking price, the Mous cases are a bit on the expensive side, but if you're willing to invest in great protection for your device, then I recommend looking to these cases to see if they fit your needs. I personally like it, and I'm looking forward to see what Mous has in store for future Pixel devices. Guys, we do have a lot more case reviews here on Team VRY, so do check those out. As always, I do appreciate you dropping by the channel, and once again, thanks for watching.